last video for tonight, we have a storm coming in soon. This is this 36-inch black Hunter original from 1981. I'm not sure if it's exactly a black one. I think it's a brown one someone painted. Someone painted black. I gotta look at the model number. Either way, they did a great job painting it. The brackets and everything are painted really well. So it might be a brown one that was factory painted black. This didn't need much, just needed some oil, as these do. I love these little 36-inch ones. You can find some of them that are a little bit underpowered, some that are overpowered. This one, being one of the latter, is definitely overpowered. So this is a really good one. Either way, let's go ahead and go to low speed. So, high, low. Low speed, we're drawing 0.84 amps. The motor tag says this is supposed to draw 1.2 amps. On high, you will see what it draws. You can already tell that's a pretty fast medium low for these things. It's still pretty good though. Let's go ahead and go. My foot would get out of the wire. Thank you. Sorry. Alright, let's go ahead and go to high. So as you can tell, this original is no slouch. On high, we are drawing 1.4 amps. And this thing is flying. So this is one of the better ones. Got a bit of hum, but these are usually always kind of humming. And yeah, that's just a really good runner. Always glad to have another black 36-inch in the collection. Let's go ahead and do spin down, low, off. The rest of the fans I got from Matthews. I need to get the screws and stuff for. And some of them are just motors and not complete and whatnot, so we'll have to make some test videos of them, but that'll be later on. Hoping to do something tomorrow if I get all the screws. Mainly the 4 Crompton Greaves, get those out of the way. Once this stops, I'll get you guys a shot of the tag up there. There we go. And since we're here, we'll just go ahead and do a 0 to high. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.